Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PDR tool is probably one of the most innovative car repair tools on the market, allowing you to effortlessly remove dents and hail damage from your vehicle's body without the need for expensive and time-consuming repainting. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right PDR tool for your needs, covering various types, features, and considerations to help you make an informed decision and achieve professional-looking results. Number 5. Mookis 92 PCS Dent Repair Kit. This kit is designed to help you easily remove dents from your car or other metal surfaces. It's a professional-grade tool that's both effective and easy to use. The kit's unique design uses leverage for efficient dent removal. Its arched bridge adjusts to fit various dent sizes, making it incredibly versatile. It features a powerful 100W glue gun for quick heating, ensuring it works perfectly even in cold weather. This means faster repairs and less downtime. It's not just for cars and motorcycles. Use it to repair dents on various metal surfaces around your home or workshop. The slider hammer is made from high-carbon stainless steel for lasting durability. Its strong construction ensures efficient dent removal with minimal effort. Repair dents yourself and avoid expensive trips to the auto body shop. This kit offers a cost-effective solution for minor dent repairs. What we like. It boasts an ergonomic design and upgraded glue gun for faster heating. This makes dent repair easier and more efficient, even in winter. If you need a versatile kit for various surfaces and applications, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit has everything, and I was able to pull out all the dents with one being mildly creased. Removed many hail damage dents in a few hours. Besides the light and slide hammer, everything worked as expected. It does indeed include all of the items in the first picture. All items worked well. Number 4. Mookis Dent Rods Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly car dents. This kit makes fixing hail damage and door dings easy and affordable. It's built to last. The durable stainless steel rods won't bend or break during use, ensuring a successful repair. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results. The intuitive design makes dent removal simple and straightforward. It gently pushes dents out from underneath, leaving your car's paintwork undamaged and pristine. No need for costly repainting. This kit includes 10 rods of varying shapes and lengths, from 10 to 32 inches, to tackle dents of all sizes and depths. It can reach even those hard-to-access spots. No more struggling with hard-to-reach dents. The different lengths allow you to access and repair even the deepest dents with ease. What we like. Its newly designed rods are simple to use, even for beginners. The design ensures no damage to your car's paint. If you're looking for a user-friendly solution for deep dents, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I wasn't sure what to expect when I ordered these, but was very pleasantly surprised when they arrived to see how sturdy and sizable they are. They had enough leverage to do what I needed them to. These tools are outstanding. They're solid and work very well. I was able to get into an area I've been trying to get into for months and push the metal back out. Number 3. Super PDR Car Dent Kit. This kit makes car dent repair easy, even for beginners. It's designed to remove a wide variety of dents, preserving your car's factory paint. It uses a special soft rubber base and clean-removing adhesive, ensuring your car's paint job remains undamaged. Your car will look as good as new. This kit comes with everything you need, including a body panel testing lamp to quickly locate dents. It's designed to save you time and effort. The kit is incredibly user-friendly. Simply apply the heated glue, attach the tabs, and effortlessly remove the dents. Detailed instructions are included. It's not just for cars. It can be used on various metal surfaces, from motorcycles to refrigerators. It's also great for hail damage repair. The kit includes a bridge puller, T-bar puller, dent lifter, adhesive tabs, glue gun, and more. Everything you need for a professional-looking repair. This kit is not suitable for painted vehicles. Use high-concentration alcohol to remove the adhesive, and warm the glue in cold weather for best results. What we like. This kit protects your car's original paint finish while being incredibly user-friendly. It's versatile enough to handle various dent types and surfaces. If preserving your car's paint is your top priority, this is the best choice. What people say. I recommend this dent repair kit to everyone because of its great design and quality. The tap-downs didn't seem to have any machining burrs or sharp edges, and all the pullers and hammers seem to be pretty good quality. The heat gun works great, and the glue gun is a so-so. Number 2. 22 PCS Car Dent Repair Rods. These dent repair rods are a game changer for minor car damage. Say goodbye to costly body shop repairs. Made from high-quality spring steel, it's built to last. They're strong enough to handle even the toughest dents. With 7 replaceable stainless steel heads, it can tackle various dent types. This ensures you have the right tool for the job. The 7 included pen heads offer 14 different repair functions. You'll be equipped to handle virtually any dent repair. It's designed to remove dents without scratching your car's paint. Restore your car's original look without harming the finish. This kit makes dent repair simple and straightforward. You can easily fix those annoying dents yourself, saving time and money. What we like. This kit features upgraded, durable rods with replaceable heads for ultimate versatility. It ensures no damage to your car's paint. If you value durability and a wide range of repair options, this is the kit for you. What people say. The product is well made, work great. Nice set of dent repair tools. They seem to be great quality. Some of the items are cheap in the set. A few are good quality. Resonators for purchasing the set price was good and will teach myself how to use them. Already know how to do body work, but this might be a better way to get small dings out. Number 1. VEVOR Paintless Dent Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating car dents. This kit makes repairs easy, leaving your car's paint intact and shiny. It's perfect for minor dents, door dings, and even hail damage. You get everything you need: 10 dent rods in various sizes, a rubber hammer, hooks, and more. This comprehensive kit handles dents of all shapes and sizes. The kit includes 10 long rods with different tips, ideal for reaching those hard-to-access dents. Their varying lengths and shapes ensure a perfect fit for any dent. Simply choose the right tool, and gently work the dent out from the inside or below the panel. The rubber hammer and hooks provide extra leverage for stubborn dents. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these rods are built to last. They won't bend or rust, ensuring years of reliable use. The rubber handles provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. This kit is designed for paintless dent repair, so you can restore your car's appearance without damaging the original paint. It's perfect for minor dents and hail damage. It's not just for cars. Use it on refrigerators, motorcycles, washing machines, and other metal surfaces. This versatile kit is a must-have for any homeowner or professional. What we like. It comes with 20 durable stainless steel rods of various sizes, perfect for hard-to-reach dents. It's designed to avoid paint damage. If you need a comprehensive kit for deep dents and various applications, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The tools are well made and seem very durable. This kit has so many positives that I still can't believe it. I am not a pro and don't need pro-level tools, but honestly, this has everything I could want to fix a series of dents on my recently acquired car. The VEVOR kit has a much better glue gun with an on-off switch. The glue tabs are different sizes and shapes, and the puller is metal and very nice quality. The slide hammer is plenty heavy and beautiful looking. The rods are a pretty nice assortment. Many shapes and sizes. I used the glue puller for 2 dents today and I was pretty amazed at the results. Tap down with many tip sizes and shapes. These worked really well for pushing the dents out of my car. Had a few pretty nasty ones, and these were able to reach where I needed to get and blend it all out. The tap downs worked as well as a top-tier tap down would. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.